Welcome to Padhai. Today we are going to do an activity which is based on the chapter linear equation in two variable. In this activity, we are going to find the condition for proving that the given system of linear equation is have a unique solution or not. So the aim of the activity is to find the condition for consistency or inconsistency for a given set of system of linear equation in two variable. So what is the material required? Material required is a pair of scissors, geometry boards, fevistick, and graph paper. We need graph paper for this activity. So what we will do in this activity, we will be given two set of equations, and we are going to plot these two set of equations on the graph. So let's see the procedure. For the first set of equation, we are going to make the table of ordered pairs x, y satisfying each of the equation. And similarly, we are going to make for the second also. Draw the graph of both the equations on the same graph paper. Similarly, consider the second set of equations and draw the graph. First, we are going to make the table and then we are going to draw the graph of the second set of equations. Now here we have, this was the first set of equation. We can see here we have drawn the graph. First one was to make the table. And here we have made the table. First equation was 2x minus y plus 8 equal to 0. And the second equation was 8x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. So here you have the graph. Now if you see the graph, let's observe the graph. The two lines are intersecting at a point. We can very well see that the two lines are intersecting at the point 0, 8. Now if we see the second graph, here we have the graph. We have drawn the equation. First we have made the table and then we have drawn the graph, and here also we can see that the two lines are intersecting at a point, right? So here we have the observation table. A1 by A2 is the coefficient of x, B1 by B2 is the coefficient of y, C1 by C2 is the ratio of the constant term. We are going to make this table for the observation. A1 by A2. Now here you can say A1 by A2 will be 2 by 8, the coefficient of x. Similarly, B1 by B2 is minus 1 upon 3 and C1 by C2 is 8 upon minus 24. Right? Now, type of graph, it was intersecting. You can very well see that the two lines are intersecting. Type of solution, that since the two lines are intersecting at one point, so we say a unique solution. And finally, what conclusion we get from here, that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Right? Similarly, we can fill the entire table for the second set of equation. And from this, we observe that if given any two linear equation in two variables, then the condition for the unique solution, that means one solution, is that A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. And that's the result is. The result is, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then the lines are intersecting, they have unique solution, and the given system is consistent system of equation. Hope you are able to understand this activity. Thank you all.